Chef here with an interesting video for you. People have often asked me, how do I process lettuce? How do I make a salad? Well, it's really simple. This is a head of fresh romaine. This comes from California, and it's grown in a sandy soil. They also grow them in Arizona and other parts of the West, even all over the world, romaine. It's very common, it's very good, but there's a few things about this you ought to know. First of all, I picked up my knife, the Japanese knife here. I notice it's not that sharp. Got a diamond sharpening steel. Gonna give it just a few strokes like this. Now, if you have trouble getting the correct angle, it's no big deal. Just search knife sharpening. After you subscribe right here, knife sharpening on this channel, you're gonna learn a whole bunch of information. Check this out. I think my knife is sharp enough to cut this lettuce. Razor sharp knives are much safer to work with. If you're worried about cutting yourself, get the chef's cut glove. This is braided stainless steel. This stops knives every time. This one's probably more than 5 years old. It keeps on going. So anyway, to process this lettuce, first we remove the top. It can often be bitter. This gets discarded. And we remove the bottom. This is not edible right here, okay? It's also oxidizing, changing color a little bit. You don't want that. Bad taste there. There's a couple of bruise spots here, so we remove the bruise spots like this, all right? And the rest of this is looking pretty good. So the first thing you do with a head of romaine is you split it down the middle, and there's about a dozen reasons why. I'm not going to get into all that. Then you take your half pieces and you cut them into bite-sized pieces like this. Now it depends who your customers are, your clientele, your family. How big of a bite-sized piece do you want? And also how consistent do you want it to be? It's just a salad, but it should be nice, should be consistent. That's looking good. I'm going to continue the rest here. Remove anything brown. Anything brown's not good and not desirable in a salad. And then just give it a cut. Sometimes a bigger piece, you might have to give it a couple of cuts. Same deal, straight across like this. Okay, and like I said, with this glove on, I have full protection from the knife. Yeah, learn more. Search the channel, visit the sponsor after you subscribe right there. I'll be back. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Salad goes into the mixing bowl. Stainless steel mixing bowl is the best, but use whatever you've got. There we go. Cold water next. Ah, fresh zucchini. Sometimes I like to take the zucchini and give it a stripe, a little cut with this little tool. First thing I'm going to do is remove the top and the bottom like this. And like I said, if you're worried about nicking yourself, just get the cut glove. Stops knives. You're good to go. Before I cut this, quite often I like to use a little tool and give it a little garnish, a little decoration like this. Cuts like this. Okay, looking good. Got a nice pattern going to it. Now with a little bit of practice, you can remove the glove and still not worry about cuts. Keep your fingers rolled back. Nice consistent cuts. That's what I'm looking for. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. And with zucchini, quite often I have garlic. So I'm going to put the knife down like this, give it a smash, repeat, and then I peel my garlic. Very quick, very easy. No special tools, no gadgets, no gizmos. This is how a chef does it. But I'll be honest with you, most restaurants are using something out of a jar. I don't know why, but they're saving time and money and labor, and they're using something out of a jar. That right there is the fresh garlic you're looking for. And you just give it a real quick slicing like this. Okay, that's all it takes. We're all done with the garlic. Good to go. EVO. Nice and hot. That's the way he likes it. Fresh garlic. Oh yeah. Starts to change color. Zucchini goes in. Fresh tomato cut into a small brunoise. And we finish with 2 ounces of white wine. That's it. Real food, simple food. Let's get cooking. Subscribe right here. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Watch the next video. Okay, I've got some of the decorated zucchini sauteed with garlic and tomatoes around the perimeter. I'll be putting a little bit of this salad right in the middle of this. A little more of this zucchini just for a garnish right there. 1, 2, 3 little pieces. And we're going to finish this salad with some green olives from Italy and some dry olives, black olives from Greece. Yeah. Tell me what you think of this salad. Would you like to try this? Oh yeah, it's gotta be good. Check out the other videos. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. Caesar salad with vegetables and grilled chicken. It's gonna be good. I'm going to share my Caesar salad dressing with you in just a moment. Improved design. Thanks for watching. Get them at your sponsor right there. While you're there, shop the Butcher Blocks. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. It's gonna be good. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. Like, share, subscribe. Subscribe right here. Please share the recipe. If you drop a comment, you'll be like a hero. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax.